Artificial intelligence, or simply AI, refers to the ability of digital systems such as computers, smartphones, or robots to mimic tasks, typically requiring human intelligence. These systems can process data, learn from experience, understand patterns, and make decisions. It's the foundation behind voice assistants like Siri, search engines like Google, and even self-driving cars. AI isn't just one single technology. It's a broad field aiming to replicate human cognitive processes, like learning, reasoning, and the origins of artificial intelligence. The idea of artificial minds can be traced back to ancient Greek philosophers who pondered whether machines could think, suggesting that machines could simulate human thinking without noticeable differences. But the modern study of AI began in the 1940s with the connectionism school of thought, which explored how thinking works in biological brains. In 1950, Alan Turing introduced the concept of a thinking machine. In his famous paper, Then, in 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined during a conference at Dartmouth College. But in the 1980s, interest was reignited with government-funded projects like the Fifth-Generation Computer Project. These systems are trained using datasets to recognize patterns and make predictions. Despite early excitement, AI research faced setbacks due to limited computing power and data. By the 1990s, AI evolved into what we call intelligent agents, software that helps with tasks like shopping, searching, and customer service. This development set the stage for the AI revolution we see today. How AI works. AI systems rely on massive amounts of data and advanced algorithms. This process is called machine learning, one of the most important tools in AI. For instance, AI can analyze thousands of handwritten digits to learn how to recognize a new one. It can study millions of photos to identify objects. Through neural networks, computer models inspired by the human brain, AI becomes capable of pattern recognition and even generating content like art or music. Types of AI. AI can be classified into different types based on capability and functionality. 1. Narrow AI designed for one specific task. It's highly effective within a limited range. Examples include Google search image recognition software, voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, self-driving vehicles. 2. General AI. This is the concept of machines that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. Such systems can learn across domains and adapt to new tasks independently. While it remains mostly theoretical, humanoid robots like Sophia hint at its future potential. For functional categories of AI: 1. Reactive machines, basic machines that respond to current inputs but have no memory. Example, IBM's Deep Blue, which plays chess by evaluating each move in the moment. 2. Limited memory. These systems can learn from historical data to make better decisions. Example, autonomous cars use stored maps and live data to navigate safely. 3. Theory of mind. These systems would understand emotions and social cues. Sophia the robot is a primitive example. It can interact and show facial expressions. 4. Self-aware AI, still theoretical. This AI would be conscious and understand its existence. Like humans, such systems don't exist yet, but they are the ultimate vision of AI. Pros and cons of AI, advantages, disadvantages. Efficient with detailed tasks, expensive to develop and maintain, saves time in data-heavy jobs, requires expert knowledge, offers consistent output, limited task, flexibility, enables virtual agents and chatbots, not easily transferable between domains. Real-world applications of AI. AI is already transforming industries and everyday life. Healthcare, diagnoses, patient monitoring, and treatment planning. Finance, stock market, prediction, fraud detection, customer service, AI-powered chatbots, and virtual agents. Education, personalized learning systems, and smart tutors. E-commerce, targeted ads, shopping recommendations. Space exploration, autonomous spacecraft, and satellite analysis. Robotics, used in surgeries, manufacturing, and agriculture. AI in the medical field. AI is revolutionizing healthcare with predicting ICU transfers before a patient's condition worsens, optimizing lab testing and reducing unnecessary medical procedures, improving clinical work, predicting hospital-acquired infections. AI in business and daily life. In the business world, AI streamlines operations, improves customer interaction, and drives innovation. In our daily lives, AI enhances self-driving car safety, powers social media moderation and personalization, suggests movies, music, and products tailored to our taste. AI in education. A new learning frontier. AI is reshaping how students learn and how teachers teach. For students, study anytime, anywhere. Personalized learning paths, AI tutors and chatbots for homework, help. Virtual 24/7 assistance, accessible education for students with disabilities. For teachers, insights into student weaknesses, automating grading and administrative work, better curriculum planning, answering frequently asked questions using AI systems, creating more interactive, engaging lessons using VR and gamification. The future of AI. As AI continues to evolve, it will reshape the workforce, communication, creativity, and while the future of AI brings both promise and challenge, its potential to assist, enhance, and transform is limitless, so long as we continue to guide its development responsibly. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence is not just about machines. It's about understanding ourselves, our thinking, our behavior, and our potential. As we teach machines to think, perhaps we learn a bit more about how we do it.